This will be the first video for this section. The second video will actually be one I've taken from my Math 1111 class that pertains, I believe, to helping you in this section. But this is kind of an overview video, and to show you why you might want to choose to use the calculator for a lot of the work. Alright, here we go. As you can see, I'm in section 10.2 and I'm on problem number 5. And the first thing they ask for is R equals. Here is why you may want to choose using a calculator here. I'm going to go and look at this view an example. And let's just look at this thing, this view an example. They are asking you to calculate R by substituting into this formula. And they go through this step by step, come up with a summation, another summation, another summation, another summation. So you're brutally going through to substitute into this equation here to come up with R. Now let me just pull up the calculator here from that I've got already in place, and I will show you the step by steps how to get this in a bit, but let me show you that if I go to stat and I go to linreg ax plus b and I hit enter, and lo and behold, it's going to show me R right here. It's going to show me R squared, which you're going to be asked to do later on in this section. I think it's 10.4 or something. This is 10.2. I think it's 10.4 that you'll be asked to come up with that. So these values right here, R and R squared, are just going to pop out by you coming up with linreg. And I'll show you how to do linreg in the second video, a blow-by-blow account of how to get it done. Alright, so let's go and look at a different section. Close. And I'm going to close this section right here and go to 10.3. Leave page. And sorry you can have all this funny looking stuff here, but I need to do this to make the jump over to 10.3. And it's grinding along. And here we are. Number 5. I'm going to go here. Now you're asked to come up with this regression equation. Well, let's go view an example. Once again is a really nasty formula to substitute into. Continue. And you go through many steps of how to do this. And to be honest with you, I don't see the purpose of all this stuff. But as I keep hitting the continue button, that's what happens. Now here's the easy button. And I'll show you how to do this, but stat, and you may remember it from Math 1111 or wherever, and I have gone through and already inputted this information: 58, 50, 40, 43, 50, 41, 411, 312, 216, over here in L2. Watch the magic that is about to happen. I go to stat, I go to calc, linreg ax plus b. They are asking for a linear regression line, so you would use linreg. You hit enter, Because you have it in L1 and L2, you hit enter again. Lo and behold, here is A, which is in front of the coefficient. Or excuse me, this is the coefficient in front of the variable. Had a mind burp there. 8.78. Whoa! It's done for you without all that nasty substitution. Here's B, not negative 95.816, which you round up to 82. So that's the easy button. Now, if you and the other way, which example, it gets the job done, but man, this turns it into it's so easy to make a small mistake, and each problem is going to take 4 years, and you would never do it by hand anyway in real life. So the next video that will follow this one will show you how to do a problem step by step so that you are able to get r squared, and to come up with b and a, which gives you your equation of the line. And this concludes this little video.